Somebody look at my face, where you're not. Open up your gates, where your heart is. I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, even know where to be found as they sing along. I say you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up.
Should I come through? Can I come kick? Can I come kick with you? 2 a.m. again and I'm thinking about. It's 2 a.m. and I'm stuck up thinking about the last time you were behind me. All in the mirror, I can see everything you will be doing. I can see everything looking at me like you love me. No, you don't love me. Never care long as I come first. You come on time, I reverse. You rewind, do it again. Stuck in time, do it again. All you ever say is come and see me for once. Come and see me.
Nothing feels better than to know you, and nothing's more important than to show you. Then nothing comes close to what the vibe is. Nothing's more exciting than the time spent with you. No one but you. You love me true. How you love me when you love me and you tell me everything is gonna be alright. Yeah, and you mean the world to me. You are my everything, and I never, no, never ever wanna know what it's like without you. I wanna wake up to you every day. I think I feel like this forever, as long as we're together. Wanna know you each and every way.
They hating, can't wait for us to break up. They ain't ready for our love. They ain't ready for our love.
It's not you that I do this for. No. Sadly be la body. I'ma get back by me, oh. Baby, what you shock me, you need family. If it's not true that I do this for, the way you do this thing for me, I'ma get my body, oh. Everybody things that they talk up. Tell all of them they can walk up. Tell all of them they can scatter. See that girl over there? She only want me for one.
Baby, no te hagas, sé que te gusta, me miras y te buscas.
Pero dime qué más. Tú hablas mucho y no haces nada.
Baby, no te hagas, sé que te gusta, yeah. Me miras y te buscas.
Pero dime.
Hold up, wait a minute, can you tell me? Promise you'll be honest in the telling.